Good morning, student. This is Srinivasa Pramal. Today we are going to discuss about the new topic, graph of linear equation in two variables. Just consider any linear equations. I take x plus y is equal to 5. So this equation have two variables, one is x and another one is y, and the power is 1. So this is a linear equations. We need to draw a graph using these equations. Now I just substitute the values of x is equal to 0. What happened? So 0 plus y is equal to 5. The value of y equal to 5. So the solution 0 comma 5 is one of the solution of this one. Next one, I substitute values of y is equal to 0. Then x plus 0 is equal to 5. The value of x is equal to 5. So 5 comma 0, it is also one of the solution. We need to draw a graph using this one. The one is x is equal to 0 means y is equal to 5, and y equal to x is equal to 5 means y is equal to 0. Now take 2 points. The first one, if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 5, so this position. The next point, x is equal to 5 and y is equal to 0, so this one. So we need to joining these two lines. So this is a graph for the given value. So this point is 0 comma 5 and this position is 5 comma 0. So the line equation is x plus y is equal to 5. In exercise 4.3, question 1, draw the graph of each of the following linear equation in two variables. So the first question, the given value is x plus y is equal to 4. Then I fix x and y is equal to 4 minus x. Now I substitute the values x is equal to 0. The value of y is equal to 4 minus 0 is 4. Then next one, I substitute the values of x is equal to 4. That means the 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. So this is a point. We need to draw a graph. So based on this point, the first condition, if x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. X is equal to 0 and y is equal to 4. So this position. The next one, x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 0. This position. So we need to draw line from these 2 points. So this point is 0 comma 4 and 4 comma 0. The line is representing x plus y is equal to 4. That's it. Question number 2, x minus y is equal to 2. Now first one, I substitute the values of x and another one is y. So y means moving to this side. So y is equal to x minus 2. Now I substitute values of x is equal to 0. The y value is equal to minus 2. Then next one, x is equal to 2 means the values of y 2 minus 2. So the value is 0. Then the 2 points, x equal to 0 means y equal to minus 2. and x is equal to 2. That means y is equal to 0. The first point, x0 and y value is minus 2. So x0 and y is minus 2. So this point. Next one, x2 and y is equal to 0. This point. Then so this line x minus y is equal to 2. Then question number 3. So y is equal to 3x. It's very simple. So I'm fixing the x and y equal to 3x. I substitute the values of x is equal to 0, the y also 0. Then values of x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 times of 1, so the value of y is equal to 3. So these are 2 points. The first one is x0 means y also 0 and x1 means y is equal to 3. The first point. So 0 comma 0 this position. The next 1 comma 3. Value of x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 3. This position. So this line representing y is equal to 3x. Then question number 4. 3 is equal to 2x plus y. Then value of x and y. So from this equation the y is equal to, this time is moving to left side, so 3 minus 2x. So the table y is equal to 3 minus 2x. I substitute first x is equal to 0, the y 3, then x is equal to 1, y is equal to 3 minus 2, so the y is also 1. So what's the value? X and y. x0 means y is equal to 3 and x1 means y is equal to 1. The first point, 0 comma 3, x0 and y value is equal to 3, so this position. The next one, 1 comma 1, x also 1 and y is also 1, so 1 comma 1. So based on these 2 points, we need to draw a line. Okay, so this line is equal to the 3 equal to 2x plus y. Question number 2. Give the equations of two line passing through 2 comma 14. The given point is 2 comma 14. That means value of x is equal to 2 and value of y is equal to 14. Then how many such more lines are there and why? So from this equation, x plus y is equal to 16. It is one of the equation. And y minus x is equal to, that means 14 minus 2 is a 12 only. So this is also one of the equation. Then y is equal to 7 times of x. Y equal to 7 times of x. So this is also, so we can able to make infinite number of equations, because in a point, the given point, infinitely many lines as passing through the point. For example, the given point is 2, 2 comma 14. That means 2 and 14. So this is the line, and we can able to make infinite number of lines. So using this one, like this.